What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dreek. Welcome back to the video. I appreciate everybody that showed love on the last video. Last time I checked, we was at like 100 and something views. Look, I'm back at it, so I know I got to build it back up, but I appreciate each and every one of y'all that's supporting the channel right now. If you haven't, go ahead and hit the like, but y'all already see what's going on in this video. We about to install this carbon fiber steering wheel. This is not going to be a how-to, but you know, I'll show you a little something. So we're gonna try to knock this out quickly as possible because I still want to do like a POV drive, but if not, that'll be next video. But we are gonna see how this look this video for sure. All right, for sure. So stay tuned. Let's hop right into it. All right. So what you want to do, you want to get you something. The first thing you want to do is get behind this wheel. You can see I already done did it. I'm beating the steering wheel up pretty bad. This side was even worse, as you can see. But it's all good because on the new steering wheel right here, see you got new things. By the way, this is how the steering wheel gonna look. Y'all a little sneak preview or whatever. Flat bottom, so it's a D shape, or that's what they call it, D shape. But anyway, I ain't gonna lie to you, that took me about 30 minutes to pop this airbag out. What you're doing, it's gonna be a spring in the inside. Matter of fact, I'll show y'all. So you're gonna put something that can fit through this hole. If you don't really care, use a flathead. What the hole is small, but you can put something bigger in it. Pause. And what you're looking for is, it's like a spring. Where is it? Okay, there you go. Right here. Focus. Okay. See that right there? Right there. It's pretty much gonna be pushing on that. So if you look at it from the back, if I can get that, you're gonna be pushing on that real hard. You need something real strong and real hard to dang, pause, bro. All right, you need something that can pretty much press on it, so you'll be able to do what you need to do or whatever. All right, and that'll keep everything flowing good. So next, what you're gonna do, that once you got that popped out, remember you gotta do that side and this side, and that's what you're gonna do. And I'm gonna tell you that time, take your time, because it's gonna be a headache. All right, you see those orange tabs? You're gonna take something like a you might have a pick or something like that. I have a pick, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the pick up under there, and I'm gonna just push the tab up like that, and it's just gonna push that tab up like that, and you're gonna pop those wires out, okay? And you're pretty much gonna disconnect whatever's whatever going to the airbag, which it would be this one too. And I think that's it, 3 wires. So 1, 2 brown wires, all right? All right, y'all, so you can see I got the tabs pulled up. We're gonna pull this little black wire off, snap out. This, we're gonna pull these up. Let's see. Okay, it's a little hard, y'all. Hold on. It's coming though. There we go. 1. And that's how that one looks. Boom. That's the first one. And we go with the second one. This one got a little blue. Got a little blue look to it. A blue shell. It's almost out. Just pulling it. There we go. Bam, that just fell. All right, so you really can't mix them up because, as you can see, they're color coded. So this is the pain in the ass airbag. Yep, this is the pain in the ass airbag right here. This is what you're gonna have. This is what you're gonna spend most of your time with from other people that I looked at. So get ready. This will take the most time. Now, as you can see, we can see all up in there. We see all the little goodies or whatever. What I would do next is take this Allen bolt out right here. I'm not sure what size that is, but I'll let you know on the next clip so you'll know what to put in there, all right? So far, this is gonna be the first Allen wrench that we had to use. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we got the Allen bolt out. And let y'all take a look at the steering wheel now. As you can see, now we just gotta pretty much transfer everything once I pull this off. And we're gonna snake these wires through You remember these that came from the airbag? Don't snake those through, but 1 second. I feel like something holding me up. 1 second, y'all. Push them through there like that. One at a time. So remember where they go through the right side if you're facing the steering wheel. Once we putting it back on, something is still holding me. Hold on, y'all. Look like I didn't disconnect something. I'm guessing I do it. You're gonna take that out from the steering wheel. So as you can see right here, and I did just drop a weight or something. All right, this little piece right here, we're gonna pop them out and then we should be good to go. I think the steering wheel should be good because I think there's only one way to put it back in anyway. But I did try to keep the steering wheel, you know, as straight as possible. All right, let's get these two on our workbench. All right, we got everything on our workbench, blah, blah, like that. So we're gonna take this weight, or I think this is some kind of counterweight or something. And we're gonna put it into this new steering wheel, as you can see. New steering wheel looking good. Out with the old, in with the new, baby. All right, next, we're gonna flip this bad boy over the original. Gonna pop these caps off. You see already right here. I used a pick, pop them right out. There you go, right there. You got one on one side, one on the other side. You see that star bit? We're gonna take that out. We're gonna take that out. Then we're gonna make our way to the front. We're gonna start taking out these in the front. Like I told you, it ain't gonna be a how-to, but yeah, just know you gotta do it that way, all right? All right, checking in. So we got the bolts out, these two, and they will be silver. Once you do those, you can pop the paddle shifters out. Bam, paddle shifter bolt out. Bam, be careful. You have a wire right here and a wire on the other side. Now, next, bruh, what you gonna do? You gonna pop this up. And you gonna pop that out. Then we're gonna make our way to the front. And we back, so boom. So after you done got those back screws out, you're gonna take this one out right here. That's going to the auxiliary controls or whatever you wanna call it. And you're gonna take this one out right here. It goes to this. See all those controls? Now that you got both of them out, you got the one in the back out, you can go ahead and pop it, blop, blop. Pop it out like that. Same thing for the other side. Hold on. It's a little tight on this side. There we go. Pop it out. Pretty much now what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be just trying to fish the wiring through, because you do have to take the paddle shifters out, because as you can see, it's going through something and the paddle shifter is not gonna fit through there. So you're just gonna follow your paddle shifter wire. See, it's right there. Don't pop that out. That way you can snake it through. Same thing for the other side. Follow the wire, bro. Pop it through, blop, boom. And it should be the black connection, just like this side, the black connection. And then we'll work on getting the rest of this out. All right, y'all, as you can see, we got those out, and these are the controls right here. Just gonna take these three, 1, 2, 3, pop those out. We're gonna transfer them over here, then we'll finish wiring them up. I got my paddle shifters already in, pop, pop. They're not tightened down or anything. You're just gonna fish that wire through this hole right here. And then when you move everything over, we're just gonna make sure we clear everything out the way for the airbag, but I'll show y'all that. Same thing, whatever you do on one side, you pretty much do on the other side, all right? All right, boom, just like that, y'all. We got everything transferred. See, this how you should look now. Damn, I got dirty on this car. Nothing's left, all right? So yeah, so what you're gonna do is look at this one right here. You see that right there? Right there. See how that whole line up right there? And that whole line up right there. So pretty much it's gonna be some grooves, some little studs that you can place these mounting points in. Same thing right there. Just like that. And then we pop these in, put all the screws back, run the wires out the way. All right, y'all, we got everything transferred over. As you can see, it's dark now. Had to go do my family thing. But when you're going back in, don't forget to plug this in right here. You know what I'm saying? Plug that in where it goes right there. Make sure you snake these through and plug those up right for the airbag and whatever this cord is. I really don't know what this is. I wasn't paying attention, but I know you're gonna need to plug this in to the airbag. All right, so we pretty much gonna go back together. There's a piece here that I need to get, some type of weighted piece, and it's like a washer or something that goes right here. So once we tighten it down, because it's pretty loose right now, but I think when I tighten it down, it's just gonna be a tight fit after that. I'm hoping that's how it goes, because I know I got everything. Make sure you got everything in your grooves the right way. You see how that is? See those? See the one at the top? Yep, so make sure you got everything in there right. And you really can't go on wrong, honestly, for real, for real. But we'll continue in the morning and we'll see how I did. But so far, it's looking good. Looking good. I like it. So, all right, y'all, so it's the next day. As y'all can see, it got real dark outside or whatever. So your boy had to wait till the next day. It was all dark. Hope that was helpful. Like I said, it wasn't a how-to, but I tried to give y'all a lot of pointers or whatever. But let's take a look at how the steering wheel look, because this is what y'all came for. So let me do that. Boom, that's how it looks right there. Now, one big boo-boo that I made was I forgot to put these pieces in, so it's really gonna be on there like that. So it's actually gonna look even better. So I'll do that later, because I got a trim piece coming and I have the middle piece coming. I'm just gonna keep the Dodge. You'll still see the Dodge, but all this will be changed. I did see a RT badge that changes color, but them boys tax, and they want like $250 for it. But that's pretty much how that's gonna look. So let me just sit this right here so y'all get an idea. Hold on, did I do it right? Yeah, it's gonna be something like that. Boom, boom. And then the other piece, as I said, nice carbon fiber. They did a good job. It's just an overlay, but it looks good. You know what I'm saying? That's a part you're gonna see. Come on, man, it's a boat. We're really not about to lose no weight. You know what I'm saying? But next video I got coming for y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned. Next video, we will be putting the paddle shifters on. Let me just let y'all see how they look real quick. My guy. Ooh, look at it from one angle. Ooh, and y'all gotta be here, because you just see how that color really hits. Oh my God, hold on, let me zoom in on y'all. Look at that. Oh, that's hard, y'all. All right. And also in the middle, we're gonna put these bad boys on there. Blam. So stay tuned. That's coming too. We're gonna start adding a lot of stuff to this car. I really haven't done much to the car. I had it for, like I said, almost 3 years or whatever. So now I already had it 3 years. Is this my 4th year? Yeah, this is like my 4th year. So yeah, it's time to go ahead and start upgrading stuff. But what y'all think about, let me know, what y'all think about the D-steering wheel, D-shaped steering wheel, man. I'm banging with it because I'm tall, as you can see. So you see how when I get in the car, right, it's way easier to get in the car now. And even when you're driving, like, it feels good. Only thing is, I'm gonna give y'all a driving video. Like, my car is out of line. Like this is straight right here. So I got a schedule appointment to get alignment. But other than that, it's been fun. So I haven't got the full feel of it yet until I get that wheel alignment. But other than that, we Gucci. You get it. So yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all checking in with me. I appreciate y'all looking at my video. Check out my last video and check out my next video. So the only way you can do that, you got to go ahead and subscribe. We're going up this year. I'm gonna give y'all some good content. So y'all get ready. Peace. We out.